Welcome back, everyone, especially the ladies. As we celebrate our women for the month of March, this week we're going to bring performing artiste Bella Blair into the spotlight. Welcome, Bella.
Hi!
Welcome to
Thank you.
Motherhood.
Oh my God, right?
Yeah, I don't know nothing about that, so I have to just listen to on the talk.
No, you're not gonna
Yeah,
know.
No, but you can ask
yeah,
pertinent
I
questions.
have enough questions to ask. Enough.
Congratulations, first of all.
Thank you,
And
Mama.
tell us a little bit about your journey into motherhood. What was it like for you?
Whew. Uh, Let me say, first of all, it was not what I expected. I expected to just have a little belly, a little cute belly, and then give birth to the baby. First of all, I had one of the worst morning sickness ever in a life. I think I can record it. I don't know. My belly got really big. I was like, somebody can't. Why me could have been one of them people that were them.
Whoa!
Everybody asked me if I was expecting twins. Is two in there? I remember when I was in the hospital, they're like, two? I'm like, nah, not two, it's just one.
You
My
had a
belly
nice,
got really
healthy
big.
baby.
Yeah. What was
Yeah.
it? What was it like being pregnant during a pandemic?
Yeah, that must have been strange.
It was kind of strange, but you get to stay inside and you get to spend the time with your family. So it's not really that bad. You know what I mean? Um yeah, I never have to go out that much unless it's grocery shopping, and then I could have sent somebody to get groceries for me or something. But it really wasn't that strange because I'm already a homebody. When I really go out that much, I stay in, and I'm a workaholic, so it wasn't that hard. The hardest part is just going through all the changes that my body was going through, the emotional changes, because listen, it was a roller coaster of emotions because the hormones and stuff. Well, yeah, it wasn't that bad in terms of being pregnant during a pandemic. I feel like it was manageable.
Okay. What would you like to share with the ladies who are now pregnant, who are waiting to receive their bundle of joy that you didn't know? What have you found out that
Uh,
you want to share?
it takes a lot of patience. A lot of patience. I remember when I was for like 19 weeks and I'm like, how much I have to go? Because I want to see her right away. Um, but yeah, it takes a lot of patience. You have to take good care of your body. Diet is important. Hey!
Hey,
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 hey.
mama.
She wants to be on there. You want to be on the TV. But yeah, it takes a lot of patience. You have to take good care of your body. You have to exercise same ways, not just, oh, I'm pregnant, let me give in to all my cravings. Yeah, tell them.
Love
Give in
to.
to all my cravings and take care of your body. Um, yeah, I don't know.
Have you been
That's pretty much
feeling
what
pressure
I did.
to do the snapback? Have you been feeling that kind of pressure? I mean, social media, celebrities, everybody put this pressure on themselves and puts pressure inadvertently on other women to be like, oh, I just had a baby. I'm a snapback. I saw your Beyonce photo with your hello. So I'm just checking. Do you feel pressured in any way?
Honestly, I kind of do, but I'm just learning to be a little bit more patient with myself because my body, it does not look the same. It's not terrible, but it doesn't look the same. I have to work extra hard because right before I got pregnant, I was in the gym. So my body was very gymified. So I have to work really hard now to just get back, you know. But it's all worth it when you look at your bundle of joy and you see that smile, or just the fact that you brought human life into the world. It's all worth it. Just work on yourself and work on your body, and yeah,
Yeah.
snap back in your own time,
That's
Yeah,
right.
I'll
indeed.
say.
Bella Blair and her babe,
Oh,
Bella
pumpkin
Blair and
pie.
her bundle of joy. But Bella Blair and her music. What's going on? What's the next step for you with music and motherhood?
Oh yeah, I'm a music mama now.
Yeah.
I've been working on an EP while I was pregnant. That was a little bit challenging because when baby up respond, your
Diaphragm.
lungs and your
Amen.
diaphragm and everything. But yeah, we pressed on same way. I'm still a singer-songwriter, and so I worked on an EP that's gonna be released this year. I don't have the specific date as yet, but we're finalizing everything, and just look out for that.
That's right, girl. Drop them babies and get right back to business. That's what
Back
we
to
talking about, girl. That's what it's like.
yeah, girl.
Do you think that being a parent or a new mom during the pandemic has affected how you've parented your boo?
Uh, Can't say because I've never been a mother before, so it's really my first time, first approach to parenthood, parenting a child. So I really can't say if it affected how, you know what I mean?
Well, I
But
remember specifically when my daughter was born, and this is way before pandemic. Like, if you come in at my house, you'd have to sanitize from the tip of your finger go up to like right here, so before you could have gone near her. And that was way before. So, is it the same for you, or are you like very careful about who goes around her or anything like that?
I mean, it's the norm. I don't really allow a lot of people around her at the moment, just immediate family, because I still have to be careful because, as you said, we're smack dab in the middle of a pandemic. But when we're home, I'm not too careful because it's just us and I have a small family. So if it's like grandma and stuff that dealing with her, yeah, everybody knows they must wash them hands and practice good hygiene when handling a baby. Come on now,
That's right.
tap tap.
What
But
are
it's
you,
not no different. It's not like a paranoid or anything.
yeah.
No.
What are you most looking forward to in raising your baby?
Uh, Seeing how I can instill all the values that I've got passed on from my mother and my generation, my grandmother and them things to her to see that she can develop and become a beautiful and wonderful female on this earth, a beautiful human being. Because I feel like a lot of humans not coming out good.
Yeah, we're not
We're
we're
not
not
just you.
we're not we're not
We're
we're
not
not
just you.
yeah, we're not humaning anymore.
We're not human anymore.
Yeah.
And so that's what I'm most looking forward to, shaping her, molding her in the way that she really should go.
And what a journey it will be. Thank you so much for sharing her with us. And thank you so much for being a part of the Mommy Club. We all wish you well.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you for having me. And look out for more to come from me. You can go on my Instagram, my tease on sometimes, I share some things sometimes. Everybody knows I'm a private, but I share some things. So yeah.
All right, that was Bella Blair. Thank you so much for chatting with us. Being a mom is a beautiful experience. Continue to enjoy every moment of it.
We're going to go for a